Hi, and welcome to Certain Media DIY secret number 4, home vocal recording for beginners. In this section, we're going to get into how to get the best quality vocal recording at your home that you can possibly get. Now, if you don't have certain equipment, you're going to need to buy it. But if you do have it, I'm going to teach you how to get the best recording at your home. First things first, step 1, if you're going to get an industry quality demo recording at home, you're going to need to get a microphone. Again, as you can see, I'm using the Shure SM7B. It's a classic microphone. Many classic hip-hop records we recorded on this. So this is a microphone that's been used a lot. You see it in podcasts. You see it all over the industry. It's a relative standard when it comes to microphones. I have a lot of different ones here, but this is the one that I like to go to. It has a good low range. It's one of the best in the industry. Sure, you can't go wrong. You do not want to use your computer microphone to get a vocal recording. Again, I repeat, do not use your computer microphone to get a vocal recording. Sometimes you can get some of those external microphones that are specifically for computers, but I do not suggest that. What I do suggest is getting a good microphone. Step 2, set up to record music. If you need more particulars on that, you can go back to secret number 3, home recording for beginners. But the biggest hint right here is that you will need a computer. Step 3, choose how to play back your music. You can use cans or headphones. I like the AKGs, or you can use monitor speakers. I have some Yamahas. I also have some Adams. You can get Samson. I've had that before. Whatever you like to use, get some kind of studio monitor to play back your music. I do not suggest using your computer speakers or laptop speakers to play back your music for any kind of mixing, because you're not going to be able to hear what you need to hear in order to get the kind of recording you want to get, especially for vocals. Heil Sound, Sennheiser, Sony, Audio-Technica, all good for home vocal recording and also for playback. Step 4, you're going to need to get an audio interface that works with your vocal mic. Now, the Scarlett Focusrite series typically works with most mics. I haven't found a microphone that it doesn't work with, but you will need to get some sort of interface that helps you pick up a signal from the mic and send it to your computer, send it to your camera. Step 5, find some sound treatment to put up that will help make the echo go away. Now, you can't see it, but off camera, I have some walls up that are basically a mobile studio. And so that's why my voice is not bouncing off the walls. Even with this nice microphone in a room that was bare, you could definitely hear the echoes. You could probably hear the air conditioning that is going right now, which you also can't hear because my walls are blocking that sound. The point here is to dampen the echo in the room so it doesn't bounce back into the mic and give you that ugly noise. At least for me, as somebody that has engineered music, I hate the ugly bounce off the wall noise that you hear in most empty rooms, especially on podcasts, but really any vocal recording. And you don't have to have fancy walls like I do. You can put up egg cartons, you can put up a mattress, you can put up thick sheets, you can put up moving sheets, tack them to the wall, whatever you can, put up something to cover any hard surface in your room so that there is no echo. So this is the last module in this section. This was Music Production 101. Next, we're going to get into section number 2, Music Business, and that's going to get a lot more in depth on how you get into iTunes, register with Sound Exchange, register with the Library of Congress, and a lot of other legal things that you need to do with your music before you really publish it. I'll see you on the other side.